Hello everybody. Today we are trying to program ECU for a Ford Transit 2019 Transit Connect 1.5 diesel. It is EDC17C70 ECU using case-free bench. Protocols 1196. We have identified the ECU. Now reading the ECU, as you can see. This is who we are. We are Moorhouse Garage Ltd, located in Westerham, Kent. They specialize on DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, injectors, electronics, ECU programming, Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center. We are also Quantum Tuning ECU Programming Center. We are certified and diagnostic, also RAC Repair Garage. You can reach me on 07533636194. With all of those problems, we are the masters. We know what we are doing. This is what we do, what we know. Like I said, please contact me on 07533636194. I'll come back to you and we can solve your problems. And please click on like button and subscribe my channel for furthermore educational videos. Thank you.